Featured files: The Peaker Problem, an introduction of peaker power plant facts and effects in Boston, Philadelphia, and Detroit. This record checks out the ecological, compensation and public health and wellness impacts of peaker electrical power plants in 3 U.S. areas: Boston, Philadelphia, and the report concludes that urban areas with such vegetations are disproportionately influenced through drinking waterborne health conditions, featuring waterborne Zika in Puerto Rico, lead poisoning and alcohol consumption, water in Flint County, and bronchial asthma. The record likewise provides several scenario researches on courses found outcoming from community-led hostility attempts in the 3 metropolitan areas as well as in New York City and New Orleans. These files review the effect of community-based activity on public health and wellness, community participation, infrastructure monitoring and economic advancement. The files specify metropolitan areas may continue to prioritize the advancement of safety and health and wellness hallways for roadbed users over social security and health and wellness in the face of new website traffic design. Energy storage for winter grid dependability: how batteries ended up being the low-cost solution for power assurance in Massachusetts ConnectedSolutions, an assessment for Massachusetts energy storage policy best practices from New England, 10 lessons from 6 states, the fossil fuel endgame, a fro. ConnectedSolutions, a new state funding system to help make battery storage attainable to all. This document aims to educate conditioned policymakers about the design and benefits of the Connected Solution electric battery storage plan version. The report pinpoints an essential policy requirement for creating a money mechanism to obtain the Connected Solutions course. Specifically, the document outlines what helps make the connected solution technology attractive to electric battery storing consumers, and how policymakers may work with companions who understand and provide to the financial of this segment. It summarizes barriers to scaling up circulated electric battery storage, describes how the Connected Solutions plan was established in the Northeast, and covers why the system has been successful. Phone the Digital Equipment Access Management Technology, or EDAM. The courses took care of automatically through a central system supplier that has actually a higher amount of counted on programmers making use of shared code and information and has actually the capacity to take over your setup. Understanding Solar+Storage, responses to frequently asked questions concerning solar PV and battery storage. Dirty energy. Big money. New York City's peaker electrical power vegetations possess a disproportionate impact on the metropolitan area's very most vulnerable people. Solar+Storage creates its customers' experience as though they have a risk in our future. We wish to improve our establishments, develop a device for far better storage space and better power effectiveness, and construct a body that is actually the assistance of our assorted area. Changing peaker plants with a body of localized sustainable energy production and battery storage space can lower greenhouse gasoline exhausts, reduce electricity expenses, enhance social wellness and capital, and help make the system more resilient in the face of increased tornadoes and temperature. Repercussions of climate change and boost in atmospheric CO2 during the final ice grow older is one of the very most significant impacts of human climate modification. Since 1900, there have been 4,000 environment files taped in Southern Hemisphere. Funding Resilient Power Fact Sheet. Financing resilient power is a groundbreaking humanitarian effort, a $3.3 million initiative of the Kresge Foundation to increase the market development of Solar+Storage modern technologies in historically underserved communities. The Kresge Foundation is the world's highly regarded study-funded institution, making use of advanced analysis locations and modern technologies to notify plan making, apply methods, and construct a design that can lower the requirement for fossil gas. The Foundation's investment, established along with Clean Energy Group, which are going to deal with the attempt, works with the very first opportunity a U.S. Foundation has committed to utilize both its grant-making and endowment information in a comprehensive tactic to carry these brand new well